Hello everybody, Amazingly Clean here from Odessa, Florida. Just wanted to do a brief video on our pressure washing today. Coming in closer on our truck, we have water capacity up to 1,000 gallons plus 4 or 5 mixes of different chemicals, cleaning anything from pavers, concrete, roof cleaning, whether it be green or chemical. We can go either way. Give us a call if you need any of those services. Also do driveways and sidewalks. So we're running a little sneak peek here on our hose extension running up from the street. Coming into the area we'll be cleaning today, which is close to a pond. And it is the PVC fence you see in front of you. So we'll be cleaning that today, tomorrow, and maybe the next day. Because as you can see, it goes and goes and goes. So hopefully we have enough hose to reach that area, which is about 2,000 feet straight out there. Either way, I have a canoe that's accessible to pull some hose over the lake, and it's just water we're using, so there won't be any harm. So stay tuned, subscribe, click yes, and give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned and see the brand new fence come alive. Thank you so much for inquiring about Amazingly Clean in Odessa, Florida, and look us up on www.amazinglyclean.net. Thanks for watching.